Today, I am going to quickly review this Master Cut from Amati. It is a cutting tool to cut wood or plastic strips for modeling. Let's see inside of the box. It contains parts of the cutter, some wood strips, and a set of 5 special blades. Putting this cutter together is very easy. A multi-bit screwdriver is all you will need. I started by installing the blade and then putting the handle and support together. After properly tightening the bottom screw, the cutter is ready for some actions. First, I cut a 6 cm long 2 mm x 5 mm whitewood piece. The cutter measures provided a great help. Then, I tried a 45-degree angle cut. I think the angle is pretty good. Let's take a close look at the cut. The cut was not perfect, but very clean and neat. In comparison, I used a precision cutter and a mini miter saw to cut the same white wood. The precision cutter provided a V-shaped beveled cut, and the miter saw ended up with some wood splintering, of course. I know the force measuring setup by using the digital force gauge was not ideal and most accurate, but I think it is the best way for you to visualize. Well, I hope this video answered some of your questions about this Master Cut from Amati. For more tool reviews and wood ship modeling tips, please check out my other videos. Good luck building and see you next time.